This is me, Louana Vlogs, my life, my all. Life is full of adventures. It may be grand or simple, but life is all we've got. This channel, This is me, Louana, features a weekly upload of my life and my all. If you feel bored and you think you can't have enough of your day, then just search me and I will complete you.
Hi guys, this is Louana. Welcome back to my channel, and we are here at Airwings Peak View, located at Camarahan Ridge, Pagatpat, Cagayan de Oro City. And we are experiencing a very nice feeling because there's a lot of amenities here. They have a heart, they have sport nest here. They also have a very nice view for, of course, photo shoot with your loved ones. And we also enjoyed a very scenic view here. The mountains, the green mountains, is so nice. Come and visit Cagayan de Oro City and enjoy here at Camarahan Ridge. I am an angry bird! Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Keep safe everyone! Bye!